German language for beginners, lesson 4. German alphabet is very similar to that of English, but it has 4 letters that English does not have. Das Deutsche Alphabet, the German alphabet. German alphabet has 26 letters, just like in English. So as I mentioned, there are also 4 additional letters, special letters in the German language. S has been treated as a ligature rather than as a full letter of the German alphabet. Let's pronounce the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Y, X, Y, Z, A, I, U, S. Oh, this is how we pronounce the German alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F is pronounced as A, B, C, D, E, F. G is pronounced as K, H, H, I, I, J, J. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Y, X, Y is it's also called epsilon, Z. D. Lies Zubank. Reading practice. Let's do some reading practice. Ich bin Techniker bei Recovery God. Wir reparieren Computer in Technopark, arbeiten 70.000 Menschen. Ich arbeite am Wochenende, aber ich habe 2 Tage frei. Samstag und Sonntag. I'm a technician at Recovery God. We repair computers. 70,000 people work in Technopark. We work on weekends, but I have 2 days off, Saturday and Sunday. Let's do more practice. First and learn. Self-introduction. Mein Name ist Lena. Ich komme aus Bulgarisch und lebe seit 3 Jahren in Deutschland. Ich bin 15 Jahre alt und habe 2 Geschwister. Meine Schwester heißt Anna und ist 12 Jahre alt. Mein Bruder Jan ist 18 Jahre alt. Wir wohnen mit unseren Eltern in einem Haus in der Nähe von München. Meine Mutter ist Köchin. Mein Vater arbeitet an einer Bank. My name is Lena. I come from Bulgaria and I've been living in Germany for 3 years. I'm 15 years old and have 2 siblings. My sister's name is Anna and she's 12 years old. Like that it goes. Danke.